When the world seems turbulent, where do we find rest? Psalm 23 reminds us that there is a place of peace, a way of hope, a promise of divine care. Let these words calm your heart and renew your trust in the Lord. You are my pastor, I will lack nothing. Lying down makes me in green pastures, guide me softly to calm waters. He had refreshed my soul. He led me through the paths of justice for his name's sake. Psalm verse 23, chapter 1-3. Lord, you are my guide, my strength, my refuge. In your pasture I find rest, in your waters my soul is renewed. I fear nothing, for you are my shield, my unshakable rock. When the winds of uncertainty blow, your voice calls me. When darkness tries to surround me, your light lights me up. In you rest, in you I trust. Though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff comfort me. Psalm 23, chapter 4. There are times when fear tries to dominate me. Doubt whispers, the storm roars. But I follow. I'm not alone. You are by my side. You are my defense, my safety. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil, my cup overflows. Psalm verse 23, chapter 5. Lord, your grace is abundant. In the midst of battles, you strengthen me. In the midst of trials, you exalt me. My cup overflows, for your goodness has no end. Surely goodness and mercy will follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord for long days. Psalm 23, chapter 6. My journey has a destination. I'm not in vain. Way to you, Lord. Your goodness surrounds me, your mercy sustains me. To dwell in your presence is my promise, my certainty. He who trusts in the Lord is never alone. He guides, he protects, he supplies. May this truth echo in every heart. The Lord is our shepherd, and nothing will be lacking. Thank you so much for being here and for taking this moment to reflect on this powerful message. I hope Psalm 23 has brought peace to your heart and strengthened your faith. On good days and hard days, remember, you are never alone. God walks beside you, guiding and caring for you. May He bless your life and fill your days with hope and courage. Stay alone until next time.